Hey all, Hudson here. So, in today's video of how I self-portrait, I created a new look and I'm going to take pictures of it. This one's a little bit different because I am going to do some heavier makeup. I often don't use any makeup and just kind of focus on the sculpture that I created. But for today, I wanted to do some makeup because I feel like the art that I made for it is just kind of calling for it. So I found this like styrofoam packaging material and I made this kind of like sculptural hood thing of it. It's pretty cool. I just thought it was just like kind of like a very cool material to work with. So I went ahead and grabbed it. I used some hot glue and I just made it. I also found this bubble wrap that I think came with that same styrofoam stuff. And I have two pieces of like teal aluminum wiring that was already curved for me. So using those materials, I decided that I wanted to create a look. That in combination with makeup I'm gonna do is gonna be the foundation of my character inspiration for the shoot. But before I can shoot, let me just go over real quick what I use. I have here, oh, big guy. This is my Canon 5D Mark IV. I just got it. I just started shooting with it. Before I was shooting with this, I was just shooting with my Lumix G85, which is what now I record on. I have a 40mm prime Canon lens with an EF mount. The f-stop is 2.8, which is great. And I use this monitor that I budget monitor. It's FeelWorld. It gets the job done. I really just use it to frame myself because I am a one-man show. I often need the help I can when I go and reposition myself. I just use the monitor to make sure I'm in frame. It's a great tool for that. And then I just have this, what is it? Kayer tripod? Kaver tripod? I'm not sure. It's a budget tripod, but it's actually really great. I got it on Amazon for like, I don't know, 115 bucks or something, and it works really, really well for me. In any case, that's pretty much the basics. I have my backdrop already set up. For this one, I'm just using a simple black backdrop. Because of the nature of this material, it's white. So I wanted to pop a bit more, or I want to just kind of isolate the silhouette that this will create. So going against black, I think will work well. I also am using a Godox continuous light LED, the SL60W. I just got that light too, so it'll be my first time using it with this shoot. I'm not sure if I'm going to use gels yet or not. We'll see what happens as I go with the process. A lot of times things change on the fly. Something's not working for me, or I need to add light or take away light. But that just is during. So let's start. First thing I need to do is do this makeup. It's gonna be a minute, so stick around and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back and I did some makeup. I just wanted to create something kind of super alien-like-ish. I had this blue kind of aluminum wire that I thought was cool if I kind of did antenna-like. I'm kind of also going a little bit bug-ish. I didn't go too crazy with the makeup. I just wanted to create a kind of different skin tone, alien skin tone. I really didn't want to shave, so I just kept my beard on. And yeah, I blocked out my eyebrows, kind of. Never very successful at that because I have pretty bushy eyebrows, but one day I'll get it. Let's see, I already went over the Canon, so I'm just gonna set it up and do the shoot. All right. Right now, I'm just adjusting the camera I'm going to take my picture with and my lighting. I think I kind of like this cool blue lighting. I got this blue thing going on in here. So I might just do that. So now comes the fun part. I get to put the whole thing on and snap some pictures. My Canon is just out of frame here. My light, I'm going to do maybe 2 light sources. I'll do my main key light, which is this blue light, kind of off to the right, and I'll do like a diffused, just a diffused light off to my left. So I'll do like a 2 light setup for this, and yeah, let's see what happens. So now is when all the magic starts to happen. I start to put all my pieces together and snap the photos, and yeah, I just kind of go into this other world. It's really fun. As you can see, as I'm putting the things on, everything for me kind of starts to become very robotic because these outfits are not meant for movement, they're just meant for posing. All right, guys, that's a wrap for me. I took these pictures. This one actually was a lot of fun and required the most prep work, I think, of my photo shoots because I never do makeup, but the pictures came out awesome, at least from what I'm seeing. But anyway, you tell me what you think. If you like this kind of content, hit like, subscribe to my channel, let me know what your thoughts are. I will keep doing photo shoots like this, but if you guys have any ideas that you want to, that you would like me to try out, I'm more than happy to. Oh, my outfit's falling apart as we speak. See, I told you that these are not built to last. In any case, if you want more content like this, or there's something specific you want me to dive deeper into, let me know. This was super fun. Hope you guys had a good time. Hope I got to share some cool art with you. But you let me know. Check out the photos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram @HUDHouse. Cheers, guys.